The tiles, the mirrors and love, what do they have in common? Whose hand do you think it is? Is it man or God that has made impossible possible? What is the relation between the lights, the arcades, the fragrances, and the heavenly whispers? What language is it that is this much in common with innumerable countries and countless forms and colors? What secret lies in the zari that one sees nothing but love and thinks not of the way out, the more they revolve around it? So much so that it seems impossible to leave the city